Hello, I'm Benjamin Schenk. I'm an application engineer here at Weldon Solutions. All right, so we're going to do a dress setup now. I have the dress setup program called up. We'll cycle start that. Our B-axis grind angle, I want to double check variable 511 is set to 30, which is where we're at. We'll cycle start again. Now it's going to have me jog the wheel diameter to the diamond. So I'll switch modes over to jog. I'll turn up our feed rate and we'll start jogging the wheel towards the diamond. Off the OD. That's good there. All right, so we'll switch to the dress program now. Go back to our list of programs here and we're going to choose the dress wheel 1 right. We'll hit main program. And then in this program we can change number of dress passes, the dress feed rate across the wheel, the dress depth per pass, and the radius of our diamond. This variable 130 is the number of dress passes, so as it's dressing, we can see it counting down. If I don't want to dress anymore, I can just push 1, give it 1 more pass to do, and then it'll complete.